Today, we'll be taking a look at diagnostic mode on this GE front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Diagnostics on this machine consist of two different features. There is a consumer fault code feature as well as a technician feature. The first thing I'm going to show you is the consumer fault code feature. In order to do this, what you'll do is have the unit plugged in, and you will press and hold the start key for 10 seconds. Exactly 10 seconds, all the lights will illuminate. Now, right here, you'll see a blink. This is typically where the error code would show up on your machine. The error codes on this machine just has numbers such as 1, 3, 6. Now each one of them correspond to a different piece on the machine. You may find a 1 for a lock fault, you may find an 8 for a pressure sensor, or maybe something around a 15 for a water temperature failure. Make sure you refer back to your tech guide to find out which fault corresponds to the number that you have. It will hold a couple of them in there. In order to go to the next one, just press start. Now once you get through all the numbers and you are at the end of the fault codes, it will simply show lines, or if there are no faults in the system, it will also just show lines. In order to exit this mode, just press power, and that'll take you out. The next mode is going to be technician mode. What we'll want to do is press and hold, well, with all of the LED indicators off, of course, and unit plugged in. You press and hold the start key, and then you will turn this dial 180 degrees. One thing that I like to do is put it on just one flat area, whether it's straight up or straight across, so it's easy to monitor. So of course, I'm going to press start, turn it. This is going to show us that we're in tech mode. Now with tech mode, you'll notice a different number up here. Each one of these numbers correspond to a portion that it is going to run in the unit, depending on what you need to test. So, the first one, fault codes. If we had any fault codes, you would select one, you would press start, and it would show you the fault codes on the screen. You would keep pressing start in order to go to the next one. Now, if you turn this dial, you'll notice the number up here changes. This is changing to the next test. So there's a couple of different tests that you can run on here. We're going to go ahead and skip to test number 6. You'll notice when I press start, it's going to turn on the water valve. It will continue to fill until we press it again. Go ahead and stop it. Of course, you can go to the next one being 8. It's going to be a different water valve. Press start to stop it. You can skip forward to number 12. 12 is the drain pump. And all of these features right here is a good opportunity for you to test certain components in your machine if you do have an error code. Now, some of these codes, or tests rather, we'll go to test 24. 24 is our damper. If we press start, we want to read on here, this is blinking light here. When this is blinking light, this is indicating that the damper is open. If we press start, you'll hear a noise coming from inside the machine. Eventually, it's going to switch to extra light. This is showing that the damper is closed. So make sure you are going by your tech manual to show you what light indicates what feature, where you are in the test cycle. And of course, in order to exit tech mode, simply just press the power button This will turn it off, and this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.